Hello guys, good news today is with the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is breaking with the 30 thousand 30k thousand. Yeah, this is the big opportunities with the cryptocurrency after it down from the 60,000 and now 30,000. It easy. Yeah, and if you check on the around the 2 months or 3 months ago, yeah, the Bitcoin is down to around the 20,000, right? And now Bitcoin start around the 30,000 again, and you can see here, yeah, for on the 1 month ago it down to $24,000 per one Bitcoin, and today it can increase to around the 30,000. And how do you see this when the crypto bullish like that, right? When it's booms like that, I'm seeing that a lot of holder they can take the big profit from the 20 or 30 or maybe 50%. And today you have some altcoin can increase to around the 20 or 50%. Yeah, this is the good news. And if you check on my video around the 3 days ago, yeah, you'll be surprised with this meme coin. Okay, this meme coin can increase to the 54% only one day if you buy on the 3 day or 2 days ago, and today you can get 50% from your capital investing in the cryptocurrency very fast. Yeah, and you don't forget subscribe to my channel if you are new in the cryptocurrency. Yeah, subscribe to my channel and following my videos and my trades every day in the cryptocurrency. I'm also find the best trade in the cryptocurrency every day for you on my YouTube channel, right? And now the Pepe coin can increase from the 0.50 and 1 and until to 0.50 and 16. That means you can earn around 30%, right? You can earn around the 30%. Yeah. And what do you think about this meme coin? I'm show you about the meme coin on CoinMarketCap and click on the meme coin Pepe. Yeah, and check all time about the Pepe coin. Yeah, Pepe listing on the market on the 19th April 2023 and now ends now June 2023. That means about the 2 and 3 months, only 2 and 3 months. The meme coin can increase to more than 2,000% or 2,780% on this meme coin, right? And sometimes it can increase to 0.50, yeah, 0.50 and 37. Yeah, if you buy on here, yeah, I'm show you about the on the first time in listing on the market on April 2023, yeah, 0.60 and 2. Yeah, if you buy $1 and divide with the 0.60 and 2, yeah, you get 5 million, right? You get 5 million Pepe and multiply with the 0.50 and 4. Yeah, on this here, you see here, you can get 2,000%, right? 2,000%. You can earn from this project 2,000%. And how do you think if you holding 1 year later? I think that this project can increase to around the 10,000 or yeah 500,000% like the Shiba Inu, right? It like the Shiba Inu. If you check on the crypto bubble and check on the Shiba Inu, yeah, in 1 year or 2 years ago, right? In 2 years ago, Shiba Inu can increase to around the 100%, right? 100 or 500%. I'll show you about the Shiba Inu. Yeah. And check all time. Yeah, you can see here. It however now Shiba Inu is it down from the 0.40 and 7, and today is 0.50 and 8. but Shiba Inu is still give you the 600,000%, right? 600,000%. Is it a big profit, right? If you buy Shiba Inu on the 2021, and you selling on the 2020, the last 2021, it's only 1 year. It only 1 year. Shiba Inu 0.70 and 7, right? 70 and 7. Show you. If you buy $1, it divide with the 0.50. Sorry, 706. Okay, you get 40 million Shiba Inu and multiplies with the 0.40 and 8. Your $1 and you can get the big profit more than 1,000. More than $1,100. You pay a little your capital, and if you compare to this meme coin, I'm saying that this is the opportunity to do not recommend, but you should check it by yourself before you investing with the cryptocurrency. Don't FOMO with anyone. For me, do not recommend you FOMO in the cryptocurrency, but you will studying. You will studying with the cryptocurrency every day. It's good for you. If you not study with the cryptocurrencies, don't invest in. Don't invest it. It's not good for you. But you have study and you try to check it out with the all project in the cryptocurrency every day. You can decide by yourself which one you should buy or holding long term, or which one you should buy short term, or take profit around the 10%, 20%, 50 or 100 or 1000% with the cryptocurrency, right? And don't forget subscribe to my channel. I always show you the best trick in cryptocurrency every day. And you can see on the crypto bubble today. The stack listing on the Binance. VFX Conflow listing on the Binance, Shiba Inu listing on the Binance, and Pepe listing on the Binance, and a lot of altcoin listing on the Binance. And after listing on the Binance, it has a lot of money trading every day. It has around the 100 million or 1 billion per day. It has a lot of money trading on the Binance, and you know already Binance is the big exchange. And you can see here Binance it just listing two meme coin, Pepe and Flock. Now Flock is go to the moon sliders. Pepe it already right, and you can see here it is very interesting in the Binance, right? And trading with the USDT in the Binance, it more than $200 million, right? It's more than $200 million on the Binance trading with the USDT. It has only USDT. But if you check all about the Pepe in coins market cap, you can see here around the 24th hour it's nearly 1 billion. It's nearly $1 billion. It already only is one. It only is 1 day. It ranked on the 24th hour on number 9. It has a lot of capital and a lot of money trading every day with this meme coin. And you see Shiba Inu on the 2021, Shiba Inu is nearly 1 billion trading every day too. And now the next Shiba I'm seeing that Pepe. And for me I like this project because it listing on the Binance it already, and it has a lot of money trading on coin market cap. It's nearly 1 billion it already. So I'm seeing that meme coin, this project meme coin is very strong like the Shiba Inu, right? And you holding on the yesterday, you holding on yesterday, and today you can get 60%, right? 60%. If you buy $100, today you earn $60 it already. It is very fast in cryptocurrency. After it down around the 1 or 3 months ago, sometimes it can go down to 0.60 and 9, and now 0.50 and 16. You have a lot of holders very interesting in this crypto, in this project too. I'm saying so. Right, thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget subscribe to my channel for more video every day.